Football requires the use of various multidirectional, powerful and explosive movements. These include jumping, kicking, sprinting, changes of direction, acceleration and deceleration. These movements utilise the stretch-shortening cycle of the muscle tendon complex. Plymetric exercise is effective at training the stretch-shortening cycle, and with or without external load, has been shown to increase jump height, increase speed and reduce risk of ACL injury, which is common in footballers. This exercise involves unilateral multidirectional hops over a line. This exercise requires fast and explosive unilateral movements. These type of movements are used frequently in football, therefore this exercise is very useful for training. The coaching points. Swing arms to add momentum and eccentric load. Ensure feet are facing forward. Accept weight onto the forefoot. Ensure the centre of gravity is over the base of support. The first progression adds a mini hurdle into the multi-directional unilateral hops. By adding in the mini hurdle into the exercise, it requires the athlete to increase their jump height. This develops the exercise through requiring further utilisation of the stretch-shortening cycle. The second progression required the athlete to move forward while still completing the unilateral multidirectional hops over a hurdle. By adding forward movement with the multidirectional mini hurdle jumps, the athlete is challenged in a more demanding and sport-specific way, as these movements are present during football matches. All of these exercises are categorised as multiple hops and bounds. These exercises work by continuously utilising more than one stretch-shortening cycle and replicate the common unilateral movements required for optimal football performance. Plyometric exercise should be performed with near 100% effort. Depending on the exercise, sets should last between 6 to 10 seconds. Full row recovery should be completed between the sets, and progressive intensity is required depending on ability. Remember, if sufficient rest is not provided, cardio training would occur instead of plyometric. Plyometric training can be incorporated throughout a training year, ensuring that recovery is provided. 48 to 72 hours between sessions should be given. The following safety issues should be considered prior to plyometric exercise. Internal factors are gender, age, previous injury, body mass, training experience, technical ability, strength, speed, and balance. External safety considerations are surface, environment, footwear, equipment, warm-up completed, and the coaching provided. hope this video provided an insight into the importance of plyometrics in football, with an appropriate exercise and 2 progressions as well as training prescriptions.